I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Audience Insights to do customer research before you run a Facebook ad. Okay. To access the Audience Insight tools within the Ads Manager itself, click this one, go to All Tools, and click on Audience Insights. This tool is a free tool by Facebook, and it will show you data about your target audience so that you can create more relevant advertisements to target and reach out to them. Okay. It gives you a ton of data on your target demographic, which will help you laser target your ads. Better targeting means you only pay to reach the people who are more likely to become your customer. Okay. When you are at this page now, click on everyone on Facebook. Okay. Remove United States if you are not reaching out globally. If you are reaching out to Malaysia market, click on Malaysia. Okay. Okay. Now, for example, now you want to reach out to wedding cakes. Let's see. Okay. All right. Now, wedding cake. This will show you the demographic, age, and gender. It will also show you relationship status, education level, job title, and you can also see what are the pages that they like, the location, and the activities. Now, for this wedding cake, as you can see, this tool is telling you that 75% of your target are actually women and 25% are men. Okay, and age group 25 to 34, 43% of this 75% are from the age 25 to 34. Okay, 18 to 24, 28%. Okay, and for men, 25% of the men, yeah, out of this 25%, then 47% of them are this age and 34% of them are this age. Now, this information itself tells you that you want to target within this age group. Okay, within this age group. 45 years old and above are not so targeted for you. Okay, so when you want to run your ads, perhaps you want to run this age group, this age group, and this age group, and target specifically women. Okay, all right. Okay, now next I will go and see page likes. Okay, what are the pages that these people like? Okay, see shopping services, wedding planning services, yeah, wedding planners, footwear, okay, Christy Ng, okay, and also shows you the page likes. Affinity level, you want to go as high as possible. It says that how likely your audience is to like a given page compared to everyone on Facebook. Okay, so you want to sort by affinity level. Yeah, pages like Jenna Noor, let's see, Inhana, Seva Hantara Mura. So these are the pages that you may also want to target for your wedding cakes. Yeah, and let's see. This one's to target. What does it say here? Is it wedding related? If it's not wedding related, then perhaps no. Yeah. I'm gonna find out more about this. Alright, clothing. Let's check. website. Okay, Bright Series. Right. So yes, we are quite targeted as well. All right. Okay. Location base. Okay, and activities. Okay. Android. Let's click. Most likely they will click. Device. Also mobile and desktop. Yeah, more targeted. And it's also telling you that a lot of them are using iPhones or iPod. Yeah. Okay. Now, how about birthday cakes then? Yeah. Birthday cake. Let's see. Let's check out demographic. Again, 86% of the people who likes birthday cakes are women. Yeah. And the age group, it's 18 to 24, 45%, mainly 25 to 34, 35 to 44. Okay, so you want to target this range. Relationship status, mostly are married. Yeah. Birthday cakes. Okay. All right. Health, a lot of them holds the healthcare medical services title. Okay. But usually I will just focus on demographic, just so to know what's the age group to target. Yeah. And to mainly focus on the woman or man. Yeah. So with this information, I will run an ads to target birthday cakes to women only and the age within this age group. Okay. Yeah. Age lights. Okay. Baskin Robbins. Okay. Right. So this is about it for you to do your research on the demographics and also to know more about your target audience. Yeah. Okay.